All right, the last tutorial on cutouts and text wrap really kind of leads me into this next short tutorial perfectly, and that is using the draw tool. You won't do this a lot, but I think this example right here is a great use for it. So in the previous tutorial, I cut out just our half a cheerleader here. Normally you want to cut out the entire person, just side note. But the text wrap is kind of, it's really like tight to the picture. You see how there's not a lot of space, around her. And so I want there to be a little bit more like clarity in where the picture is and where the text is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an object, and I'm going to draw a shape that is just a little bit bigger than my cutout. So I'm going to click the curve, and what I would do here, kind of like you're cutting out the photo again, except just slightly bigger. You know, the border would be a little bit bigger. And again, I'm going quickly, so this is going to be a little sloppier than it probably should be, but this doesn't have to be as precise as your actual photo cutout. Okay. Kind of got crazy there, but all right. So once I do that, I click finish, and as you can see, this object, it looks gray right now. I could fill that with any color that I wanted. Like if you were just drawing an object for whatever reason, you could, and you could change it, and you could do some things with that. But for this purpose, I don't want any fill, okay? I am gonna make it a color real quick just so I can see it. So I am going to, like I just did, make this shape transparent so you cannot see it. But before that, I want to text wrap this drawing that I just did. So I'd go to layout, back down here to text wrap, I'd wrap the object shape, and then I'm gonna make that transparent. And as you can see, another thing that you wanna do is maybe group them. So I'm going to select, well, you have to move the two. So when you move it out of the way, you have to move both of them. Just FYI, okay? Make that transparent. And then you can kind of adjust the text. There we go. That's a better view of it. I'm gonna zoom in here. Another good tool is the zoom tool. You just draw a box wherever you want to zoom in. Okay, so as you can see now, I have a little bit more separation between my picture and the text. So I think this is a really good use for the draw tool. We aren't out here just kind of free drawing shapes and things like that, but if you make a transparent shape and text wrap it, it can give you a little bit more division between that cutout and your text. Hope that helps.